Hello guys, welcome back to Stack Over Chai. This is day 18 of the 100 days interview question challenge. Today's question is very important, it's one that's frequently asked in both Java and full stack interviews. Let's go. Day 18 question is, what is the final keyword in Java? The final keyword in Java is a non-access modifier that is used to restrict changes. You can apply it to variables, methods, and classes. Let's understand each of them with simple examples. First, final variable. A final variable means its value cannot be changed once it's assigned. It acts like a constant. Let's take an example of a final variable in Java. Here, we declared an integer variable called number and marked it as final. That means once we assign a value, in this case, 12, we cannot change it later in the program. When we try to reassign number equal to 20, the compiler immediately throws an error because final variables cannot be modified once initialized. So remember, a final variable acts like a constant, its value stays the same throughout the program. Second, final method. A final method cannot be overridden by a subclass. This helps to preserve the original behavior of the method. Let's look at an example of a final method in Java. Here, we have a parent class with a method called display method marked as final. This means that the display method cannot be overridden by any subclass. Now, in the child class, if we try to write another display method, the compiler will throw an error because final methods cannot be modified or overridden. So the final keyword ensures that the method's behavior remains unchanged and cannot be altered by subclasses. In short, final methods provide stability and prevent unexpected changes in inheritance. And last, final class. A final class cannot be extended or inherited by another class. It means you can't create a subclass of a final class. Now let's look at an example of a final class in Java. Here, we have a class called vehicle that is declared as final. This means no other class can inherit or extend it. When we try to create a car class that extends vehicle, the compiler will throw an error because final classes cannot be subclassed. So, the final keyword for classes is used to prevent inheritance, ensuring that the class structure cannot be modified or extended. In short, final classes are completely sealed and cannot be changed through inheritance. Let's quickly understand this table, which summarizes the final keyword in Java. Final variable. Once a variable is declared as final, its value cannot be changed. It acts like a constant. Final method. A method marked as final cannot be overridden by any subclass. This ensures that the method's behavior remains unchanged. Final class. A class declared as final cannot be extended. No other class can inherit from it, keeping its structure fixed and secure. So in short, the final keyword is all about preventing further changes, whether it's a variable, a method, or an entire class. That's it for today. Follow for day 19, where we'll cover another important interview question. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Stack Over Chai. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.